going to take you through the tools that you're going to need. So you're going to need a comb. You're also going to need some cling film, some grips, some sellotape, some scissors, and you also need some felt pens. I like to use Sharpies because they dry much quicker than anything else. So when it comes to making a template, what's really important is making sure that you have the hairline in the direction that you want it to lie in. Use your comb. So you want it to actually be brushed in the natural way that the hair should fall, because what you're trying to do is you're trying to add additional hair in that area. Now, when you're looking to determine how big the cling film needs to be, make sure that it's larger than the section that you're going to need. That's really important. Sometimes you don't have the hairline, so you're going to have to measure from the eyebrow, and then you measure 4 fingers, or even sometimes 3 fingers from the eyebrow all the way up, and then that should be your position for where the actual hairline should start. And I'm just going to give you a side view as well, just so that you can see that. So you kind of like I said in this example, is that you're going to put the cling film so it's larger than what you actually need it to be. That's just going to make sure that you don't have any issues and you don't create a template that is smaller than you want.